Hey guys and girls, making this video to give you an update on these Kumo Krugen HP51 tires. After 30,000 miles, these tires starting to hum. They get the rubber compound is very hard, and they make noise. Like 40,000, these tires are driving me nuts. They're making a humming noise. So I don't know if you can hear it now. They're making a humming noise. If you listen closely. This is from the back. So all I'm hearing primarily from the back, this wow, 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 nice sound that drives me crazy, especially on the long trips. These Kumo are not good. I don't like them anymore. And they also have a small cracks, so I will show it to you up close. And I decided to go with Michelin top tier Michelin Defenders. They're the best tires, the best long warranty, and they're smooth and quiet tires. So I'm on my way right now. I'm driving to a discount tire place. I love these people. They're very good over there, and I'm gonna get the Michelin Defenders. So listen closely. 40 miles per hour. I don't know if you can hear it. Listen. Distinct sound. Whoa, 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 whoa. So these Kumo Krugen HT51. I had them installed since 2021, and about 40,000 miles. All cracks everywhere, all cracks. And also here there's a small cracks on the sidewall. The tread life is pretty good still, but the rubber compound is very hard and they're making noise. I don't like that. See, like right here, all these little cracks. And these are rated 102T 225 65 17, and traction A, temperature A, tread wear 720, and I'm changing these to Michelin. I don't want to hear that sound anymore on these Krugen. They were good, perfect for 30,000 miles, and then after that I start being very disappointed. So here you go guys, I'm getting these tires installed on my vehicle. These are the Michelin Defenders, Defender 2. Now look at this pattern, very nice. Even the rubber feels so much different. These are very nice and quiet tires. There's a very nice sidewall. So can't wait till I install them, but they look very good. There she is, sitting without tires. So pretty. Getting alignment check. So here it is. I installed these Michelin Defenders and they look amazing on the vehicle. So it's nice. Michelin Defenders, nice edges here. The outside wall looks very nice. Very nice thread design. This is for, so you have for your reference how these tires look on a Rav4. I mean, yes, these tires are pricey. Michelin are pricey, but they're well worth it, guys. I just drove around in the parking lot. They're so quiet. They have not removed these things, but that's fine. Little stickers. But they balance these tires very nicely. They did alignment. They look great. This is supposed to be like a very nice design that the car will be very quiet on the road, and they grip the road very good. They repel the water and snow. So there's a lot of these little cuts here. A nice rigid center ribbon. I'm driving on these new Michelin tires, and they're very, very smooth and quiet, like soft. The first thing I notice how soft these tires are, how smooth they are. And I'm glad I replaced these Kumo ones because they were such a hard tires. You feel the road so much more on the Kumos. These are day and night difference, guys. So I'm here driving about 50-60 miles per hour, and I'm very satisfied how smooth these tires are. They go over the bumps very easy. You can't really feel the road. Let's see, handles very good on the turns. I did some testing on the big parking lot, taking some big turns, and it's nice. I'm also testing the alignment they did at the discount tire place. It is perfect alignment. Like, I'm letting go of the steering wheel and the car just drives so straight. And the tires are very quiet now, smooth, handles very well. You could feel that the road less. Like on Kuma, they were so like hard, and you can feel the bumps comparing to these tires. It's night and day and night difference, guys. I did some testing like at 60-70 miles. Michelin definitely right choice. So I want to take a closer look of this thread and this design. And these Defenders 2, they use like a special Michelin Ever Thread 2.0 compound. So this is promoting optimizing resistance of wear, and they stay durable even under like a heavy vehicles. So very nice compound, built very well. This rubber doesn't like wear down very easy, and it does feel soft too. It's not like just a rigid tire, you know. So up to 85,000 mile warranty. That's pretty decent, guys. Very decent. And also these interlocking tread blocks, they help the tire maintain its shape during cornering and braking, which improves handling and extends the tread life. So there are these interlocking. Can they see this one? There's a gap here, and then there's a gap here, but it's still held together by this little like a bridge here. Very, very nice wide channels. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 channels for water dissipation and snow and sludge. So these wide channels, they quickly evacuate water and also reduce the hydroplaning, and they also improve the grip in the wet conditions. Very good design. Very nice and wide channels. So these Michelin Defenders, they have high density 3D sipes. What it means is these little cuts. They have like thousands of them on each tire. See, one here, here, all around. They cover all the tire. So these little sipes, these little cuts, these like little things, they bite into the road and give you much better traction in rain and light snow, while still keeping the block rigid for long tread life. This is special technology Defender 2. Let's see, I'm squeezing them. This is the center groove. It doesn't just feel like rigid, but these little sipes, they cut this middle part. So also these Defender 2 tires, they are designed with variable pitch pattern that reduces road noise. As you see, these little hooks, they help you reduce the road noise. And they cancel out the road noise frequency, which makes it for a surprise, like very quiet ride with all this design, comparing to any like a budget tire. So that's what even stated on Michelin website, that these tires, Defenders, and then also there's a cross climate ones, the special design, they designed to reduce and cancel out the road noise. And I was driving for the past 10 miles. Very smooth and quiet tire, actually. Much better than the Kumos. The rubber even feels different. Much softer and like, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but you have to feel it with your hand to see the difference. So this is not a winter tire, so you know, don't expect like a very good performance in winter. But it's built for year-round, like to be reliable in most climates. And the tread balances dry performance with a solid wet and snow grip performance. So they're all season, but don't be expecting these tires to be super good in like slushy, like winter conditions. They're designed for, you know, like all season. They don't have a mountain peak on the side here. But what I really like, that these tires, they are not directional, so there's no arrow, so you can rotate them any way you want. There's no direction on these tires, so they're not a directional tire. So that's what I like, easy to rotate. It was very easy to mount these tires and balance. They installed them very quickly, all four balance, and like less than an hour I had these tires installed and balanced. Then I did the alignment. Now I want to show you what it says here. It says thread plies 2 polyester plus 1 polymade and 2 steel. Sidewall plies 2 polyester. See something about the sidewall? It says how it's made. These are 22565 17102H rating. Radial tubeless Michelin. This is my DOT number. When they were made. And the best part is here. It says made in the US. USA. Defender 2 from Michelin. They look absolutely great on this Toyota Rav4. Not too aggressive, but pretty nice look. I like the ride of the car. The car drives so nice, quiet. So just to summarize, guys, this video, I would like to say these Michelin tires, they are smooth, they're quiet, they're comfortable, and a very long warranty. So the Kumo were just too loud after 30,000 miles. I couldn't handle that. I was just very upset with Kumos, the HT51s. That's why I decided to go with something more expensive that's going to last much longer, better warranty, better tire overall. And I decided to make this video. Maybe it's helpful for you if you want to buy these Michelin Defenders 2. Now you have some information about these tires. So thanks for watching Nazareto's channel. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next video.